We've looked at a few different ways you can add your content to the MeetEdgar library, whether it's manually uploading your content, uploading a spreadsheet of posts, or using our RSS feed reader. There's one more way you can add content to Edgar, and that's with our browser extension. To download our browser extension, simply visit meetedgar.com/extensions and choose the browser of your choice here. To use our browser extension, simply locate an article. It's a very powerful tool that offers this article or blog post you find online the ability to be added to your MeetEdgar library without ever leaving the page. So let's take a look at how this works. For this example, we're using a MeetEdgar blog post, but this could be any article you find online. Simply click the MeetEdgar icon you have in your toolbar, and this will pop up the Add New Content screen. Check off the account permissions you'd like this article to send out to, go ahead and select the category you'd like to place the article into, and click on Save to Library. This is also a great opportunity to use it along with our Schedule Send Now and Save feature here. This will allow you to send a trending news article out right away when you find it without having to log into your social media accounts. So as mentioned before, simply go to meetedgar.com/extensions to grab your browser extension for your fourth way of adding content into your library.